It's day 48. Sorry for the interruption. And we are back on track. So, yesterday we left at a point where we are integrating the APIs of the profile and we got some error. So, we are resolving this and let's just wait for a minute. So, now in the profile, what we have to do, we have to set the access token. Why? Because as soon as we change the username, the access token doesn't belong to that person. So it belongs to the other username because we have used the username identity. If you so we will use again, we will regenerate the access token and save in the database. So we have added that line of code here and here. Also, we are sending it to the front end as well. Now we are also checking the user if already exists, so that rename so that's the unique identity of username is there. Now in the profile, what we did, we got the data. Now we are changing the access token here and setting all the data here. So let's see after running this. So let's run the code. And in the front end, we will move to front end, npm run dev. So let's run it here. Has started. So it will start within a minute and we will test that. Now we will see the access token will get updated as soon as we update the profile page. Test, and here it should be test. Now it's changed to test one, so we'll send it with this. We will go to profile. Now let's say we want to edit that and edit as test, and there is access token. So to let you know what the access token we have, so let's print it in the console. Now after updating, you will again see the access token. Data has arrived, access token has been generated. Again it will in the application. So now you will compare it. So you can see there is change in the access token, right? So everything is updated now. You can go to home, profile, and everything is visible now. All right. So our profile page is completed for the purpose. You can see here everything is 200 something. So now let's mark it in the Jira itself that it is done. So our next task is about the notification. So let's start this bar and work on the notification part. Again, the two imports, import Axios from Axios and import router from view router. Now here we will say router equals to use router. So we will imply on mounted sync so you can see it here. Should be async. Now again this similar code could be must be there. Now let's remove this, and after this what we want, API to get the notification data. So const response equals to await axios dot get http colon localhost colon 5000 slash now what you want. Now we have set up our localhost. It should be API calling and for notifications. Which will be using the headers. Comma you can see it's header only. So in the header it should be just one thing, authorization access token. Let's see. Now Control Shift I. Let's go to notification. And you can see router is not defined. Okay, so we have not used the variable. So now you can see right now it's just a normal comment, and here we get the 400. So let's see the terminal, and now we have to see the backend code for 400. API slash notification. Or let's say we want to send this page equals to 1 or a page equals to 10, and we don't want to send the data. So we are getting error here. Four hundred 415. So let's check for 415. First, let's know that. Unsupported media type. So let's see what could be the possible solution. Okay, so we have to add like this. We have to remove this. We are getting this. in the backend, and let's send what the backend code is there for. So we have to add this. See, starting. So now notification sent, notification received. So this arg help us to give it as a parameter instead of that. Now we get the data, and let's make some of the variable. Let's remove this. Pause notifications is equals to ref. Now notifications dot value equals to response dot data, because you can see in the response dot data we got an array. Now we have added that, and what we will do now, for I in notifications, and I want to print I. So now what it has printed, we don't want everything, we want notifications only. Notification. Why it is not there anything? Let's console.log. So let's remove this from here and add it here, i.notification. So now we can see it has some ID, but we want, instead of ID, we want some reference. So we will change that here. So the notification part has been started, and also you can see it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, and it could be multiple. Now we require to scroll. If there could be 100, how to do that? All sort of those things. We will look into that tomorrow. Till the time, do enjoy that, and if you get a learning, do like it. Also, if you want to have some doubt or you want to add something, do let me know in the comment. Thank you.